Today we'll talk about how can you change password on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on more down here. So you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile and security here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on password here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Enter here your current password, then here you add new password, then repeat new password here. Then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.